Rose, it's okay. You're gonna go.
Any minute now.
No one
is going to leave you behind.
You're going, buddy.
Dozer.
Somebody's got
Relax.
some holes.
Relax.
Who's got some digs? What's that, Jen? I think so. Old ones, actually. What those are.
Well, where are mine? These are the shakes.
Okay, well, we got a couple pairs. This is poles. Where'd they go?
They're right here.
Okay. We got everything. We got 3 sets of, what about the snowshoes? Are they going?
Yeah. Right? Is the marketing good? I don't know.
Dozer, are you ready to go? Are you ready to go, Dozer? Huh? Are you ready to go? Are you ready?
I like that. I don't know if it's so you. Pick up those snowshoes.
Would be Dozer ready to go.